Hi, welcome to the video 2 of our Premiere Pro challenge. If in case you are watching only this video, I highly suggest you that start from video 1 itself so you will get a good idea about this challenge and also you will learn even more. Before we jump into editing, make sure you have got Premiere Pro installed and running smoothly. You can use either in Windows or Mac devices, no problem. I'm using it in the Windows device, even I have the MacBook as well. So the process is very simple and it's not tedious, I can say. First things first, let's check the system requirements. At very minimum level, you need 8 GB of RAM with an Intel i3 or similar chipset and at least 4 GB of graphic card. If in case you don't have any dedicated graphic card, it's fine for some level, like if you're just cutting out the clips and patching together. If in case you are going to add a lot of transitions, text and everything, you need some kind of graphic card. I highly recommend that. But if you really want things to run smooth, go for 16 GB RAM and an Intel i5 or i7 chipset, or even the Apple M1, M2, like all the M series are really good. And one more thing, make sure the laptop or system you're using has an SSD, because SSD is faster than the hard disk, so the rendering time will be decreased. Now let's get Premiere Pro. I'll show you by recording my screen as well. First, open any of the browser. I'm opening the Chrome here. Search for Adobe. You can see the Adobe Creative Cloud. Actually, I purchased this, that's why it is showing like that. Okay, let's do one thing. I quickly open in incognito mode. You will understand much better. So I opened and typing the Adobe. This is how the website looks like. It asks you which country you are in. I'm selecting the India and choosing the English language. So now click on view plans and pricing. As you can see, this is for individuals. If in case you are a student, with the help of your ID card, you will get even more discounted price. That's a good thing. So let's go for individuals. I highly suggest you that if in case you are only focusing on only Premiere Pro, like you don't use any Photoshop or After Effects, then simply go and purchase the Premiere Pro plan. No issues at all. If in case you want all the plans, this is what you need to click: Creative Cloud Pro. As you can see, this is how the payment page. The beauty part here is if you pay the full amount up front, so you will get 14 days of free trial. Before 14 days, like let's say 13th or 12th day, if you cancel the subscription, you will get the full amount as a refund. Only if you purchase the annual prepaid plan. Just look at the terms and conditions before doing the payment. Even it shows the when the trial period ends and everything, so make sure you read those carefully and then download the Adobe Creative Cloud. Once it's installed on your system, open it up, sign in with your Adobe ID and let Creative Cloud update to the latest version. I'll show you how the Creative Cloud also looks like. From the Creative Cloud itself, you can actually download and do the update of the applications. So this is how the interface looks like. Here, click on the apps. As you can see, these are the apps I installed here, and there are a lot more apps where I'm not at all using it. So that's what. So just check with your requirements if it is okay or not. It fits perfectly or not, then only purchase the plans. That's it. Now you purchased the Adobe Premiere Pro plan and installed the Premiere Pro software as well. That's it. You are all set now. In video 3, we will start exploring the interface and getting hands-on, inside the Premiere Pro.